Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making another beautiful pipe cleaner flower, and honestly I have been having so much fun creating these lately. I think I have developed a new hobby of experimenting with the pipe cleaners and turning them into a cute little flowers. For this I'm using a purple colored pipe cleaner. First I cut the pipe cleaner into small pieces, as you can see, so tiny pieces. This will help me to create a soft, fluffy, petal-like structure to the flower. Next, I'm taking a stem. It's a bamboo stick, so usually used for the BBQs. So here I'm using this stick, and I'm just taking the hot glue gun and pasting the small petals what I have made, and using the hot glue gun. Now, after carefully attaching the petal around the stick, a pipe cleaner flower will be ready. So what I love most about the craft is that it's just simple, relaxing and super creative. You can experiment with different colors, shapes and size and make every flower look very unique. Also, I have been trying many different styles of pipe cleaner flowers. So I'm planning to make even more designs in my upcoming videos. So here's something I would really love to hear from you, that is, comment below and tell me what kind of flower you want me to try next. It could be a rose, sunflower, tulip or something totally creative. I will definitely try to make the most interesting suggestions in my next video. If you enjoyed watching this flower come to life, please like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Your support really motivates me to keep creating more crafts like this. And also let me in the comments how you like this flower and if you would try making one yourself. Also, thank you so much for watching and supporting my little creative journey. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy crafting and keep creating. Bye bye.